How to add subtitles just like I have right here. This is the latest and the easiest version. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on text right here, which is the third option after audio. Then once you click on that, you're gonna have to scroll all the way down and click on advanced, which is the last option. Then once I click on that, I'm gonna have to click on spoken language. Obviously I have Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, English. I have a lot of options, but I'm gonna just go with English because I'm speaking English in the video. Then once I click on that, I also have a lot of options right here where it said identify filler words, which is going to identify all the filler words such as so, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You also have stuff like auto highlight keywords. You could also do that, but I'm not going to click any of that. I'm just going to go with generate right here. And as you guys can see, my caption just generated. It doesn't look that good because you have to come over here and you have to customize this. So you're going to have to click on text right here. Now from here, you're going to have to click on front. Now for the front, you could pick whatever you want, but I have my favorite ones all the way on top. So I'm going to just go with this one right here because this pops out and looks nice. And over here, I'm going to just go with this color because black and yellow pops out real nice. So I'm going to just go with black and yellow. And that's how you add subtitles in CapCut. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.